The 13th letter of the Hebrew alphabet is the Mem, which looks like this in the modern Hebrew alphabet. The word Mem in Hebrew is derived from the word Mayim, meaning water. This letter has an M sound. If you asked a child to draw a picture of water, it would probably be something like this. And this is the ancient pictographic script for the letter Mem. The letter Mem has the meanings of chaos from the storms of the sea, mighty from the immense size of the sea, and blood, which is red water. Some words that begin with this letter are Magen, which is a shield, Midbar, wilderness, Mot, a verb meaning to die, Mizbeach, altar, Malach, messenger, but sometimes translated as angel, Melech, king, Mashach, a verb meaning to anoint. This letter is often used as a prefix to nouns and means from. Here is the word El, meaning God, and the prefix Mem means from, so Me'el means from God. And here is an ancient inscription from Serabit el-Khadim in the Sinai Peninsula. And it's kind of hard to see, but I'll highlight it for you, is the word Me'el. The Mem is on the right and the word El is on the left, written from top to bottom. This ancient pictographic letter can also be seen in this inscription, also from Serabit el-Khadim. And this inscription appears to read Mot, which we learned meant to die, and Lebaalt, which means to the lady. So Mot Lebaalt means death to the lady. Around 1800 BC, this letter evolved into the Middle Hebrew or Paleo-Hebrew script, and still looks similar to water. This letter can be seen in the Tel Dan inscription, which is dated at about 800 BC. And here is the phrase Melech Yisrael, Melech meaning king, king of Yisrael. The Middle Hebrew letter became the Greek letter Mu, which originally looked like the Middle Hebrew Mem, but evolved into the more recognizable form later. The Greek letter Mu then became the Roman letter M. Around the 4th century BC, the Middle Hebrew letter then evolved into the Late Hebrew. In this script, the letter has two forms, the normal form at the top and the final form at the bottom when it appears at the end of a word. The normal form can be seen here in the Dead Sea Scroll, and the final form at the end of the word Shalom. The Late Hebrew then evolved into the modern Hebrew letter, also with two different forms. The normal form appears here in the Aleppo Codex and here in its final form. Here we have the letter Aleph, which means strong, and the letter Mem meaning water, so we have strong water, which is glue. And this is the Hebrew word Aim, meaning mother, the one who binds the family together. Here's the letter Dalet, which is a door and means to enter, and the letter Mem, which represents chaos. So we have Dam, which is enter chaos. This is the word for blood. When blood is shed, one enters chaos. Here we have the letter Chet, which is a wall and means to separate. Then the letter Mem, which means water. So combine these mean separate water. This is the word Cham, which means hot. And heat evaporates or separates water.